This cosplay spotlight is for my jacket from Violet Evergarden, taking a closer look at the lining, attachment points, and sleeve construction, as well as some of the details. Starting with attachment points and finishing. The collar is buttoned down with jean buttons, and you'll also see the second jean button that's used to clip the belt under the collar. Then the entire jacket is closed with a nondescript, heavy-duty snap button. The hem is a 2-inch strip of fabric that is top-stitched and blind-stitched to the lining. And then there is also a 2-inch facing for the front. And all of the attachment points have been buttoned or snapped all the way through, including the decorative button, which is another jean button with a special 3D printed cover, and that's where the other end of the belt clips in. Talking a little bit about lining and the collar. In most places, the lining and the fashion fabric were sewed together and then serged, except for the sleeves, where I followed more conventional methods, and the collar, where it is double-faced with the fabric because that has to fold over. Just a quick snapshot of the back. Both the collar and the back are cut on folds, so there's no seams in the back of that jacket. The sleeves were the hardest thing to deal with. So for the bottom half of the sleeve, it's fairly traditional, starts at the elbow, ends at the wrist. You can see I've got a little bit of hem tape there just for a bit of decoration. For the sleeve itself, it's split into a front and a back, and both front and back are split into a top piece and a bottom piece that bisect with this diagonal line, and that's used to form a diamond tier shape for that cutout. So you'll see that the front and back both have a top and a bottom part to them, and again, that's to help the fabric fall where it needs to, rather than letting that diamond get distorted. For the gold trim, it also got a little bit tricky based on the reference images. There is a single gold piece for a front, a single gold piece for the back, but then you'll notice that it's actually pulled into the seam. So that's added after the lining and the fashion fabric are connected, but before the front and back are attached. And then once those are stitched together, you can see that the gold trim is pulled into that seam, but everything is stitched down for durability, and then the gold ribbon is added at the very end I think I did it by hand. If you're looking for more resources, I have a link to my most recent write-ups and pattern pieces below for the jacket and the dress. You can find more on my website. Thanks for watching.